Okay, explorers, let's find our gate.
And maybe a snack?
And maybe a souvenir?
And maybe we'll actually make it on time.
Let's go now. No more waiting. Costa Rica, here we come. Wow. Look at all these people.
The airport is always busy.
It feels like a mall.
I see real airplanes.
That's right, my dear. We are going there soon.
But first, check-in time. Let's find the airline counter.
There, over there for today. Gate B line for Costa Rica.
Perfect.
Mom, what does check-in mean?
It means we give our passports and tickets to the airline, and they give us our boarding passes.
And then we go to the airplane?
Almost. After check-in, we go through security.
What is security?
People, check your bags to make sure there is nothing dangerous.
Like toy swords?
Exactly. So no toy swords today, okay?
Okay, but I have a toy car.
That's fine. Cars are safe.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. We are flying to San Jose, Costa Rica.
Great. May I have your passports, please?
Thank you. Here you go, 4 passports.
Thank you. Any checked luggage?
Yes, these 2 big suitcases.
Please place them on the scale.
Ugh, this one might be over the limit.
24 kilograms. That is fine.
Oh, good. I thought it was heavier.
And here are your boarding passes. Gate 22. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice trip.
Mom, what's a boarding pass?
It is a small card. It shows your seat and gate number. Without it, you can't get on the plane.
A ticket to the sky.
I have a window seat. What's that?
It means you can sit by the window and see the clouds.
Yes, I want to see the clouds.